Rokel Commercial Bank, formerly Barclays Bank, was established in 1917 as Barclays Bank DCO with 100% shares owned by the parent company. In 1971, it was incorporated locally and renamed Barclays Bank of Sierra Leone Limited, with 25% shares owned by Sierra Leoneans and 75% shares owned by Barclays Bank International. The rationale behind this move was to encourage Sierra Leoneans to participate as owners and develop confidence in the bank. Basic banking services such as savings and current account, foreign exchange, bills for collections, safe custodies, etc. were provided and branches were established across the country. The bank had a network of 16 branches in various areas of the country at the outbreak of the war in 1992. As a result of the intensification of the Civil War, the network reduced in quick sessions, landing to one bank branch in April 1998. On the 17th of September 1999, Barclays Bank PLC, which was the majority shareholder at the time, 60% shares, withdrew from its operations in Sierra Leone. After extensive discussions with the government of Sierra Leone, the bank, after consultations with the government, was renamed Rokel Commercial Bank Sierra Leone Limited. The government of Sierra Leone now holds 65% shares and 35% shares owned by private institutions, organizations, and individuals. Rokel is the name of the longest river in Sierra Leone and empties into the Atlantic Ocean. This despite the greatness of the bank as a gateway to banking in Sierra Leone. It thus follows that Rokel River, by virtue of its prominence in the country, and the bank, because of its geographical shape, has been referred to as the gateway to banking in Sierra Leone. The main products and services provided by Rokel Commercial Bank include savings account, current account, special deposit account, call account, e-banking solution, Visa debit card, Visa encashment, SMS alert, and online banking. The mission of Rokel Commercial Bank is to provide banking-related financial services in a manner that build strong, lasting, and satisfying relationship with customers, employers, shareholders, and the communities in which the bank operates. The vision of Rokel Commercial Bank is to create opportunities for everyone. The Rokel Commercial Bank have taken the lead to introduce the financial inclusion, which means leaving no one behind. The bank have gone to places where other banks have refused to go, where the people are deprived of bank services. The Rokel Commercial Bank has pushed for increase in financial inclusion. They feel and trust the wave of innovative energy being displayed by all participants in the banking system. A lot has already been accomplished. The establishment of a strong payment and settlement framework enabling institutions has enabled a vindictive environment for financial inclusion. The Rokel Commercial Bank have seen the emergence of mobile-based financial services. In addition, the Singapore scheme have been operationalized in the capital city of Freetown, and they have seen the need to expand the Singapore mobile banking system to other remote areas of the country, like Bonn. Despite the widespread challenges that continue to exist, the Rokel Commercial Bank already know the large number of Sierra Leoneans and bank population are yet to be touched by the financial inclusion. This makes it imperative for the Rokel Commercial Bank to rethink their assumptions and proactively accelerate their efforts in Bond District.
And there's one thing right here, we need to be able to understand this is our country, and the areas in the country that are unbanked, untapped, and not really reached out to. So we feel that as a bank, we don't feel comfortable just residing in Freetown and working within the confines of the walls of the bank. We feel that we have to help, the government to meet its overall macroeconomic objectives, and one of these would be to reach out to all corners of the bank and provide banking services there. So we identified several areas in the country, not only Banff, but Banff is the first one that we have targeted directly, clearly, and we have got a tangible presence there. We have also been able to see that people of Banff who for decades had no bank on the island, who had to go miles and miles to collect the salaries, now have the service that we're providing. So we're really heartened by the fact that we provide the service. We're helping government to broaden financial depth and financial inclusion, and also we believe that being the first bank to go on there after a long time will also leave an indelible impression in the minds of the islanders. And yes, Rokel Bank will always be their favorite bank.
Financial inclusion strategy for inclusive and resilient economic growth, leaving no one behind, is the very foundation of a sustainable development goal for the Rokel Commercial Bank. Therefore, the Rokel Commercial Bank is happy working on this important initiative, which will make sure that more people in Sierra Leone have access to finance together with the Rokel Commercial Bank, said the Managing Director, Dr. Ekundaya Walton Gilpin. According to the Deputy Managing Director, Emmanuel Bobo said, for so long, the Burnt Island have been deprived from banking activities, which, according to him, gravely undermine businesses and other activities on the island. With the introduction of the Rokel SIM Corpo at the Burnt Island, residents and other stakeholders said they will be finding it very difficult to access their money, as they will always have to travel to Matru John on boat before they could undertake banking transactions. With the proactiveness of the Rokel Commercial Bank to make sure that every single Sierra Leonean included in the financial community, they have made so many strides, in which the bank governor of Sierra Leone have praised them for their good work and called on other banks to emulate their footsteps towards the financial inclusion to make sure that every single Sierra Leoneans be included. The bank have also, in 2018, won so many awards in and out of Sierra Leone, one of which they were named as one of the best corporate bank in the country.
Cap on recognition of the good work we're doing. It's another tap on the back. It's another merit. It's another yardstick of recognition. This is an indicator that if you work hard with God's help, you will be rewarded. It's an indicator that we don't always cry down in Sierra Leone, and that everyone is on a pull-me-down syndrome. We're here to elevate each other, to work hard and to recognize. We'll be recognized in this instance far across the shores from Nigeria. You won't believe it, that the executive of Leeds flew in from Nigeria today into Sierra Leone and walked straight into the office to deliver this award. This is purely an international recognition of the good work that's being done in Rokel Commercial Bank and in Sierra Leone also in general. And this is a victory for the young. It is a push for the young in heart, the young in mind, and the young in body. We're going to go out there and make younger people know that you can strive, you can work hard, you will excel, you can make it, you can achieve. You should not be like always despondent, you should not always be downcast. We have to make the situation right for us. If the environment is not the way we want it to be, adapt and make it better for yourself. So what I want to do is to continue encouraging the young, those who feel they're underprivileged, those who feel they're less advantaged, those who feel that they just cannot make it in life, to go out there, be yourself, identify your potential, and don't make that be an end game. Make the potential be an opportunity for you to grow further. And most of all, let's love each other and continue being there for each other. Sierra Leoneans, this is your bank. This bank is being recognized left, right, and center. There must be something good that we're doing, but we can't do it on our own. The staff are excellent, the people are fantastic, our customers, they're expecting a lot, and they're welcoming us, they're welcoming a change. At times we could have teething problems. Now and then we could hurt other people by not doing what they want us to do. But we say we're sorry whenever we hurt you. What I want to say to us is, let's keep the fire burning, let's keep the wheel moving, and let's all the machinery for national economic development. Let's build a country together with the authorities, build a country together with the president, build a country together with those who have been charged to build a country. It's our country, it's your country, and it is going to be the best place for us to be in the years to come.
Celebrating 20 years is something which is worthy because the bank have scored so many strides in the area of financial inclusion and also in the area of customer service for the people of the country.
Not having out to have another player, she's the captain, going for the ball.
As they have made their mark in Sierra Leone and out of Sierra Leone, and they will continue to make sure that Sierra Leoneans have the best of banking services across the country.